Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by unlocking the iPhone with your device passcode instead of Face ID. If you do not remember the passcode, you must restore using a computer to regain access. Open Settings from the home screen and tap your name at the top to access Apple ID controls. Tap Find My and then tap Find My iPhone to open its controls on the device. Toggle Find My iPhone off and prepare to enter your Apple ID password to confirm. Wait for the confirmation to complete before erasing or selling the device. Open Settings, tap your name, then tap Find My to access Find My iPhone controls. Inside Find My, choose Find My iPhone and flip the toggle to off to begin removal. Enter your Apple ID password when prompted to confirm turning off Find My iPhone and to disable Activation Lock. If two-factor prompts appear, approve with a trusted device or use a verification code to proceed. After successful authentication, the toggle will show off and the device will be removed from your account. Keep your Apple ID and password secure to avoid repeated lock issues. Use iCloud.com, sign in with your Apple ID, and choose Find iPhone to remotely erase the device when needed. Remote Erase will remove activation details after the device comes back online and can clear Find My settings. If you cannot access the Apple ID, start account recovery at iForget. Apple.com to regain access using your trusted phone number or email. Recovery can take several days depending on your account security and verification. If recovery fails, contact Apple support with the original receipt and serial number for activation lock removal assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.